she's not there anymore. Okay. No. Oh. Yeah. Oh, love. Hello, hi, welcome to our channel, Rubik's Bam Bam. Thank you guys for coming back again, and yes guys, for hitting that bell. Now you are notified that I got a new video. So yes, thank you so much in terms to all my subscribers there, and thank you and maraming salamat po, and dagang salamat to all my subscribers all over the world. Yes, thank you so much for hitting that bell. And yes, and if you're new, yes, let me introduce myself. I am Rubik's. I'm a Filipina in the UK, doing reaction videos now most of the time. And if it's your thing, yes guys, please consider to subscribe and hit that bell. And yes, today is a first time reaction. I do love first time reaction, guys, because I just like to be surprised of an artist or a video that I am reacting to. So thank you for telling me to react to this, guys. I read your comments, so thank you so much. It means a lot. And yes, also please follow me in my Instagram or a Facebook page, guys. So yes, yeah, message me there if there's a new songs you wanted me to react to, artist or a video, or here in this video down below. Comment there, guys. So thank you. And yes, first time reaction of what's this? Budi Doremi. Budi Doremi. I hope I pronounced that properly. Budi Doremi. It's Mesin Waktu. So OST, original soundtrack of Aku dan Mesin Waktu. So I translated it. It's a time machine. Yes, me and the time machine. So yes, that's right. So time machine. Okay, Mesin Waktu. Interesting. So yes, without further ado, I'm gonna do it. All right. I'm excited. So thank you so much for telling me to react to this. All right. Okay. And start.
Kalau harus ku mengingatmu lagi, aku takkan sanggup dengan yang terjadi pada kita. Jika melupakanmu hal yang mudah, ini takkan berat, takkan membuat hatiku lelah.
Sorry guys, I know I don't understand it, because you can just feel the emotion of these songs. It's just the first line, got goosebumps and all. Oh, my heart. Budi Doremi. Okay, interesting.
Takkan membuat hatiku lelah.
Nice voice.
Kalah, ku akui aku kalah.
Wow.
Cinta ini pahit dan tak harus memiliki.
Nice.
Jika aku bisa,
wow,
ku akan kembali.
Sorry guys, his voice is so nice and soft, and you can just feel that song, every word of it. I know I don't understand that, guys. Music is the language of the soul. Even you don't just understand each word of it, you can just feel the emotions through it. Wow, Budi Doremi. Love it.
Ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih, meskipun tak mungkin.
Nice melody.
Walaupun ku mau bawa kamu lewat mesin waktu.
Okay, because it's like time machine, so all those years, right? Sorry guys, I'm doing the video as well, reacting the video. But yes, nice storytelling here, because like they got like Polaroid like pictures there, and every year. So time machine, which maybe it seems like they wish they can go back that time, something like that, the story. So please comment down below, guys, about the whole meaning of the song. You know what I mean? Wow. Okay, I'm not sure if there's a translation, so yes guys, please comment down below, or I will check in the description later on. Wow, nice melody, nice voice, a nice video story.
Jika melupakanmu hal yang mudah, ini takkan berat, takkan membuat hatiku lelah. Panjang perjalanan yang harus ku lalui, merelakanmu.
Oh, she's not there anymore.
Jika aku bisa, ku akan kembali, ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih. Meskipun tak mungkin, walaupun ku mau membawa kamu
Nice.
lewat mesin waktu.
Guys, nice voice, guys. You know, I mean, the transition of the first one and the climax now. Wow. His voice got a soft tone and also big, old tone. Nice mixture. Can just feel the emotions of the song. Ooh.
Lewat mesin waktu.
Wow. Oh, memories. Memories. Nice melody.
Jika aku bisa, ku akan kembali,
Lovely tone.
ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih.
Nice.
Meskipun tak mungkin, walaupun ku mau membawa kamu. Oh, jika aku bisa, ku akan kembali, ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih. Meskipun tak mungkin.
Because I'm just like his outfit. Wow, interesting. But lovely story, you know. I love his tone and the melody.
Walaupun ku membawa kamu lewat mesin waktu.
Time machine. Can turn back time.
Jika aku bisa, ku akan kembali, ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih. Meskipun tak
Nice
mungkin,
melody.
walaupun ku mau.
Kaya it's done. Alright. Wow. Mesin Waktu. I'm not sure if there's an English subtitle now. But yes. Time machine. But yes, guys, okay. I'm just mesmerized of the tone and the storytelling of the video, guys. You know, the girl just like think like time machine indeed, right? You know, turn back time, something like that. But yes, guys, if you know the whole story of the song, yes, please comment down below, and also the English subtitle, guys, an English translation. I mean, I'm not sure if there's an English translation here. I'm not sure, so I didn't see it. But if you got an English translation, yes, please comment down below, guys. But you know the whole story about it. You know, time machine indeed. You can turn back time, and you know, your loved ones. Yes. Okay. Yeah, time machine and loved ones that you miss maybe or whatever. Yes. So yes, guys, if you got a loved one there, yeah, next to you, yes, let them feel your love. Yes, guys. So yes, enjoy them, guys. Yes, you know, while they're you're together or they're here. So yes, guys, thank you so much. I enjoy, guys. I enjoy that. So thank you so much for telling me to react to this, guys, and thank you for waiting for me to react to this, and for hitting that bell. Yes, so now that you're notified that I reacted to this video. So thank you so much. This lovely video, and yes, lovely voice of Budi Doremi, guys, was. And then this does he also like write songs? Nice you know, storytelling of it. And I know the lyrics is in your language, guys, but yes, I can feel the emotions of that songs, and of course the video of it, the storytelling of that. So I really enjoy that, guys. Ooh, it warms my heart and goosebumps and chills. So thank you, guys. I really enjoyed that. So I hope you enjoy that too. And yes, guys, if you do, yes, please consider to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. And also please do share. So thank you so much. Road to 20k, guys. So thank you, Terima kasih, for all the love and support. So more to come. And if you want me to react of more of Budi Doremi or other any artist, a first time reaction, I so love. And also, guys, or any other video, yes, please comment down below, or message me, or comment in my Instagram or a Facebook page, or comment here, guys, down below. So thank you so much. And yes, guys, hopefully you will have a lovely day. And yes, guys, always take care, stay safe, and always stay kind. And hopefully I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.